What do an NFL player, Lowe's Home Improvement, and a nonprofit organization called Rebuilding Together have in common? They all want to provide critical repairs to homes of people in need. Joining us now to discuss this year's Kickoff to Rebuild campaign is wide receiver of the Detroit Lions, Amon-Ra St. and president and CEO of Rebuilding Together, Caroline Blakely. You guys, welcome to the show.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Amon-Ra, let's start with you. How did you get involved with this initiative, and why is it so important to you?
Yeah, being able to partner with Rebuilding Together, I thought was an awesome opportunity for me to give back. You know, there's homes out here in LA that are in critical need, people that are in need of homes for repair. I I actually went to the University of Southern California, which is 15 minutes from where we are right now, from the site that we are rebuilding. And I've seen a lot of homes. My father's from Compton, and I've seen a lot of the things that do go on out here in Los Angeles. A lot of homes that do need, repairs. And I couldn't imagine going to bed, at night, not having any water or yet alone hot water. So to be able to help these homes is going to be an awesome, awesome thing that we do.
And Caroline, how does Kickoff to Rebuild help communities in need?
So this campaign, Kickoff to Rebuild, started about 27 years ago, where we come to Super Bowl cities and we work on homes and communities within those cities. And so today, we're actually going to be working on 17 homes around this area and a community center. And we're going to be fixing them up, providing critical repairs so that people and their families can stay safely in their homes.
Where can we go and get more information?
You can go to rebuildingtogether.org and learn about the work that my organization does nationwide every single day.
Thank you both for joining us.
Thank you.
Thank you.